Meaning of ice show.
Ice show.
Ice show.
Ice show.
Ice show. An ice show is a type of live performance featuring ice skating, music, and sometimes theatrical elements. Typically, professional skaters perform choreographed routines on a large sheet of ice, often accompanied by music and lighting effects. Ice shows can range from solo performances to large-scale productions featuring ensembles of skaters. They are popular attractions at ice rinks and theaters worldwide, and are often associated with winter holiday celebrations. Some ice shows feature champions and Olympic skaters, while others focus on narrative storytelling or comedic performances. Overall, ice shows offer a unique combination of athleticism, artistry, and entertainment.